First, let's focus on our canvas setup. For the dimensions, we're going to do 1290 pixels wide and 2796 pixels long. Next, you want to focus on colors. These colors are by random and I don't have a specific color list, but I did want to make sure that they look good, they blend well, and they're close to each other on the color wheel. I used the triadic color wheel feature in Procreate to help me find the colors that I need. If your gradient looks too harsh, you can add the Gaussian Blur feature in Procreate to help smooth out your gradient. Alright, let's give the screensaver some personality. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a sphere. To achieve this, you want to hit your selection tool on the top. On the bottom right, you'll hit ellipse, make a perfect circle, and drag a color of your choice into that ellipse to start the base color of your sphere. This next step is experimental, so the things you need to focus on is your values and your contrast. Make sure that you have lighter colors at the top of your sphere or more so to the left. You have your mid-tone colors in the middle and you have your shadows or darker colors at the bottom. Once you feel comfortable with the sphere you've created, you want to add a Gaussian blur just to get a more smooth effect for your sphere. But do not deselect the sphere or the effect won't work. Now we want to duplicate our sphere 3 times so we can build out our composition. You want to move your duplicated spheres comfortably around the screen to make sure that you have enough space and everything feels balanced once we start to add another effect. All right, we're almost done, but this is a very important step. We're going to reconstruct the spheres with the Liquify effect to rebuild the composition for the screensaver. Once you select the Liquify effect in the adjustment toolkit, you want to keep it on push and follow these directions on the screen to get the effect that I did. As you're using the Liquify effect, be patient and gradually stretch the spheres so it'll fit within the composition of the screen. Don't rush, because if you do, it's not going to look as good as you want it to. Trying to find good composition can be tough, but it's about balance. If it looks balanced, more than likely you're in good shape. So keep trying and you'll get it. Next, let's group and duplicate our layers so we have references just in case we need them. One experimental feature we can try is the gradient map tool. This allows you to explore other gradients that blend really well together, and it gives you some variety with your screensaver. Once you find a gradient you like, you can also change the gradient map intensity to make it more saturated or to desaturate it. You want to look for balance. That also includes color. All right, so we're on our last step, and the last thing we want to do is add some texture. So you want to go to your adjustment layer, add noise, and see what works best for you. You don't want to put too much to make it grainy. You don't want to have enough so it doesn't look like there's texture on it. Remember, you want to have balance. Once you're finished with everything, the last thing you want to do is export your screensaver to your phone. And there you have it. You've created your own screensaver for your iPhone. I'm pretty sure there's other phones you can add screensavers on. You just have to find those dimensions and apply all these rules in the video. I want to say thank you guys for watching this video to the end. Hope you've learned something today. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. If you enjoyed this video, you want somebody else to see, we want to share some knowledge, please share this video to whoever you may know that might enjoy or appreciate the knowledge that you've learned and they can use it on their own. Once again, I appreciate it. Till next time, peace.